Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Mont Alpi MAi805-BSSBEV, 44-inch, 6-burner, black stainless steel, modular outdoor kitchen island barbecue grill. With beverage center plus side burner plus granite countertops plus rotisserie kit and grill cover. That's include. The Mont Alpi 805, 8-burner island gas grill is a prefabricated all-304, marine grade, all-new black stainless steel grill with modern white granite top side cabinets. This island comes with a beverage center complete with an outdoor rated, lockable fridge with stylish blue lights. The stainless steel sink can be plumbed permanently or hooked up to a garden hose. It has a large 6-burner, 115,000 BTU, grill with additional infrared side burner and infrared rear burner. It comes fitted with halogen lights in the cooking zone to make grilling in the dark a lot easier. There are also on/off color changing lights on each control knob. It has 8mm 304 stainless steel rod cooking grates, 304 heavy-duty stainless steel tubular high-efficiency burners. With very little assembly, you will be grilling in no time. The caster wheels allow it to be moved around. Once you have found the perfect spot, the wheel levelers will ensure your grill is stable. A heavy-duty electric rotisserie kit, chopping board, and all-weather heavy-duty cover are all included. There is also an infrared side burner with adjustable heights for those times you want to really enjoy a good steak or heat up a saucepan. The grill also has large drawers and cabinets to store all your grill accessories and to hold a propane tank. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.